thought I'd show something off here that I just did. I'm using these little Candelabra. Sorry about that. These little Candelabra bases for a project, and they come with this cardboard tube to protect them. You know, protect the leads in here so you don't get shocked. But they leave the hardware open, and they look like crap, you know, it's just cardboard. So what I've done is 3D printed my own version of it that goes on. It goes on a little tight, but that's a good thing. I mean, it won't fall off. And it's held on with this one pin. There's nothing on the other side. And it covers up both the electrical connections and hides the hardware. Now this will be mounted right up against the base of the lamp, so you won't see anything else. And of course I can print this in any color that I want to, and you can still take it off just like that. So anyway, I just wanted to show a little upgrade from cardboard to 3D printed for these candelabra lamps. I thought it was a good idea to do, because I just don't like, first of all, I don't like the looks of this. It comes off too easy, and it doesn't hide everything. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Catch you in the next video. Thanks. Goodbye.